How to change receiver name in Western Union account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your receiver name in your Western Union account while transferring the money. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that just simply search for changing receiver name in Western Union account, and you will be landed to this particular page where you will see receiver name changing request form. So you need to fill out this form to update the receiver's name in your money transfer. You must be the sender of the money transfer to complete this form. If the form is not available in your preferred language, you can also connect to the customer care for further assistance. Just mention the money transfer information like your tracking number, like MTCN number. Just enter the sender information, like if you are the sender, so you can mention your name, your middle name, your last name, your gold card number, and you can just enter your email address and your phone number, which is optional. So provide the number of the identification document used to initiate this money transfer, for example passport number or driving license number. If you have multiple IDs or you are not sure which ID you want to use in this transfer, just please provide additional types and number of the ID to help us process your request. So providing more IDs will make your process even more smoother. So you can provide the IDs here, like your driving license, your passport and other identities. And here you have to enter your receiver information. So provide their first name, last name, middle name, and just update and correct the receiver's details. The update name needs to match the name of the receiver's ID. Make sure that their government ID name is the same as their receiver name that you want to change. Make sure they can pick up the fund successfully. So just mention their first name, middle name and last name. And once you enter all these details, you need to check this box. By assigning below, you are clarifying that you are the sender of the money transfer and you are requesting to change the name of the receiver on your money transfer, and you are the authorized Western Union to update receiver's name on the money transfer according to the Western Union internal control and policies, and you understand that Western Union may not be able to make the request change according to the Western Union internal control and policies. In some instances, Western Union may be required to provide you with the updated receipt, and the receipt will be provided via mail or email based on your existence preferences. So while ticking on the box, you are ticking on all these criteria that the Western Union has, and after that just check the box that you are not a robot and just submit the information, and this way you will be able to change your receiver name in your Western Union account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.